Now, second question. Area of a triangle. Now see, area of a triangle का formula बताओ पहले. What is the formula for area of triangle?
Half into
Half
base
into
into
half
height.
into
Half into base,
half
base
into
into height.
height into is equal to half into
Base
base.
into height. Half into base into.
Half into base into height. What are the two things given there? Area they have given to you.
Sir, area and height.
Area is 36 half. Base कितना है बेटा? If they have given the base or they have asked to find it out.
Sir, we have to find.
So we have to find the base.
What is the height?
We
Sir,
have to
answer
find the
is 12. Sir, answer is 12.
Height is 3. So find out the answer and put it in the chat box. Read. Done? So it will be 36 into 2 is equal to base into 3. That is base will be is equal to 36 into 2 divided by 3. So you can do the simple calculation. 3 ones and 3. 12s are. So the base will be how much? 24 centimeter. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? D. Aditya, am I not audible?
Sir, you are audible.
So you're audible.
Can you solve the third question by your own? If they have given you area of a triangle is base is 15.
What, sir?
They have given you that area of a triangle whose base is 15 and altitude. Altitude means height. Height is 6
Sir,
centimeters.
the line.
Find out the area of a triangle. So find it out.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have to answer in chat box.
Yeah, you need to answer in the chat box. $90. Half into base into height. The formula
No,
is
sir.
half into base into height. Half into 15 into 6. Now solve it. Tohid, good beta. Tohid, Aditya, very good. Perfect.
So it's 45.
45. Nutan, zinda ho? Good.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. See, area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle?
pi r square.
2 pi r.
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
Square.
Sir, pi r square.
Okay. Pi की दो वैल्यू होती है. What is the value of pi?
Sir,
22 by
22 by
7.
7.
7 and
4 and
22 by 7.
22 by 7, 3.14.
One is 22 by 7 and one is
22 by 7 and 3.14.
okay. Circle में ये जो part रहता है इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Diameter.
Diameter.
Circle में सिर्फ इतना part रहता है. ये जो blue वाला part है इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम?
Center. Center. Radius.
Okay. Circumference of a circle का formula.
Sir, there was some internet errors.
pi r
from
2 pi r. 2 pi r. Sir, 2 pi r. Sir, 2 pi r.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Meera, what happened, beta?
Sir, 2 pi r.
Just wait.
Sir, there were some internet issues. So can you tell from starting?
I just recorded the video. I'll put it on my channel. You can go through it. Okay, Meera. We are going through question number 4, circumference of circle. So I asked you the question, area of a circle formula that is pi r square, and circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So which formula you need to use? First one or second one? कौन सा फॉर्मूला
Sir,
यूज
second.
फर्स्ट या सेकंड?
Sir, second one.
लेकिन
Sir, second.
यहाँ पे रेडियस दिया है, यहाँ पे तो मेरे पास डायमीटर 14 है, तो डायमीटर जब 14 है तो रेडियस कितना होगा बेटा?
7.
Sir,
Sir,
8.
7.
7.
Sir, 7.
7.
So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, तो कितना आएगा मेरा सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल?
44. 44.
44 centimeter.
44 centimeter. Sir, option A.
ऑप्शन ए। सर्कमफ्रेंस या पेरीमीटर जब भी आते हैं याद रखना स्क्वायर नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ नॉर्मल यूनिट आएंगे। क्लियर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
सर जब एरिया निकलेंगे तो उसमें तो स्क्वायर आएंगे ना?
हाँ, एरिया में स्क्वायर आएगा। बेटा रीत, मजा आ रहा है?
So 1000 centimeter square आएगा।
हु इज मिसिंग द स्कूल?
Sir, me. Sir, me.
Sir, मैं।
Centimeter
Sir,
square.
मुझे आपके साथ मजाक करना है।
Sir, बहुत ज्यादा.
Sir, I too.
सर
Okay. Now, coming to question number 5. 1 meter square. 1 meter square को अलग अलग करो, उसका मतलब क्या होता है? पार्ट्स निकालो, उसका मतलब क्या होता है? 1 meter into
1000 meter.
1 meter. ओके, 1 मीटर को हम लोग कन्वर्ट करो सेंटीमीटर में, तो 1 मीटर को जब कन्वर्ट करेंगे 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर?
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter.
100
1000 centimeter. Sir, answer is 1000 centimeter.
Sir, 1000
Answer is 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square.
So which is the correct answer?
Sir, A. Option A.
centimeter square.
Sir, option A.
A.
D.
Sir, B. Sir, 1000 centimeter square. Sir, A.
Sir, A. Option A.
Sir, B.
Sir, B.
Sir, B.
Sir,
100 centimeter.
Sir, B.
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 Sir,
Sir,
B.
B.
Sir,
Tell me.
Sir, B.
क्या 1 मीटर
Sir, B.
सेंटीमीटर
Sir, B. Sir, B. Sir,
D.
या
D.
Yes, sir. D. D.
Sir, D. D.
Sir, B.
Sir, D.
Sir, D.
श्योर? रीत, बेटा सब फाइंड आउट।
Sir, D.
दिस वन?
Sir, yes, sir. 10,000 centimeters.
सर डी
I told you 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. I've done the bifurcation. See, this is an expression. These are the terms. These are the factors. If I convert, see, if you multiply 100 into 100, I told you the trick. Write 1 and write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. And दो बार multiply तो centimeter into centimeter, centimeter,
सर ये ट्रिक तो यूट्यूब पे भी थी।
centimeter square. So answer is this one. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
यस सर
coming to the next part now. Fill in the blanks. First question. Can you solve 1000?
1 हेक्टर 1 हेक्टर
Sir, 1
Sir, 1
hectare.
hectare. 1 hectare.
1 hectare.
Sir, 1 hectare.
Sure.
Sir, 2 hectares.
1 hectare is equal to how many meters square?
1,000 meters
Sir,
square.
10,000.
Meter square.
Perfect.
सर 10,000 सेंटीमीटर
Perfect answer.
meter
Perfect
square.
answer. Good.
Sir, how the answer came? Can you tell?
बेटा ये बुक में दिया है आपके, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है। They have given you like this. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000.
So what is hectare?
हेक्टर मीन्स जमीन को काउंट करना है। इफ वी नीड टू काउंट द लैंड, जैसे हम लैंड को काउंट करें तो हम बोलेंगे 1 हेक्टर 2 हेक्टर, तो
It is a unit.
लैंड रहती है बड़ी अमाउंट, तो उसको कैलकुलेट करने में हेक्टर यूज होता है। ठीक है
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
बेटा। रैबिट आदित्य तो स्लो क्यों भाग रहा है बेटा? फास्ट भगाओ, जल्दी भागेगा तो अच्छा है।
Sir, speed up बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, द मेजर ऑफ अ साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर of which the area of a area and perimeter remains the same is dash.
1
One.
centimeter or
Sir, 1.
1
सर 1 और
Measure
1 or 4.
the area, measure of the side of a square. Square कैसे रहता है याद करो?
लेंथ ऑफ ईच साइड आर सेम।
यस बेटा, क्या बोले आपने?
Length of each side are same.
Okay, or
It has 4 sides.
remains the same is what?
Sir, 4. Sir, 4.
What is the formula?
4 into side.
Sir, formula for what?
4
Sir,
into
4
side.
centimeter meters.
See,
4 into side. 4x side.
yeah, if I take a square,
9.
सर तो रेक्टेंगल है
अभी ठीक है? If I take a square,
सर अभी भी रेक्टेंगल
ये square में, if I see 4 sides are there and all 4 sides are equal, all the 4 sides are equal, so they are saying that for the measure of the side of a square for which area and perimeter remains the same, उसमें सभी चीज सेम रहती है, उसमें कोई लेंथ में चेंजेस नहीं आते, तो that is 4 into side. Clear? What is the perimeter for regular polygon? Bhavik.
सर लेंथ ऑफ वन साइड इनटू लेंथ ऑफ अनदर साइड हाँ
It
सर
is length of one side is equal to
Sir.
multiplied by
Another side.
अनदर साइड
Another side.
Another side.
okay, good. Question number 5. Question number 4.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes.
सर के
सर सर उन्होंने पेरीमीटर पूछा है मीटर ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन
Perimeter of a regular polygon is equals to length of one side
one
into 5.
side into length of another side plus
Yeah.
2
तो वही तो बोला
Length of one side into length of another side. I'm asking about question number 4.
सर
Sir, circumference.
The distance around a circle is its ये जो shape है.
Circumference.
Circumference.
circumference
Sir, circumference.
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 Yeah, तो जो outermost part है उसे हम बोलते हैं circumference. Okay? Question number 5. If a wire in the shape of a square is rebent into a rectangle, then the dash of the both the shapes remain the same, but dash may vary.
Perimeter area.
perimeter and
So perimeter and area.
and area
क्या same रहेगा?
perimeter and
Area.
The perimeter sides.
Perimeter will be same. Sure.
Sides may vary.
Sides may vary. Okay, good. Coming to the third question. Question number 1. First of all, read out the question. The diameter of a wheel is 40 centimeter. Now, first of all, the step 1 is always remember the figure. Which figure they have? Means which figure they are discussing in the
Circle.
So
circle
circle.
Okay. So all the
Circle.
formula related to circle, memorize it. One is circumference and one is area. What is the formula for circumference?
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Area.
Pi r square.
Pi
Pi
r square.
Pi r square.
Now, diameter of a wheel is 40 centimeter. अगर कोई मेरा समझ लो, if I'm taking like this, ये बड़ा सा wheel है. If he's saying to you that the diameter is 40, so what will be the radius?
20.
Diameter divided by
So 20.
20.
20.
Okay. How many revolutions will it make on covering 176 meter? What is 176 meter? अगर वो ऐसा चल रहा है, वो बोल रहा है कवर कर रहा है ऐसा धीरे धीरे धीरे, if it is walking like this, it is covering 176 meter. What is this outer part then?
circumference.
So circumference.
Very good.
Circumference.
Circumference.
Circumference value कितनी है? What is the value of circumference? Circumference कितना दिया है उसने?
176 meter
How much?
176 meter.
Yeah, circumference it is given 176 meter. Good. So, first of all, the distance I need to find it out. The distance covered by wheel in one round. अगर ये ऐसा wheel जो है ये चल के इधर आएगा, एक राउंड में कितना distance cover होता है वो निकालना पड़ेगा. So, what is the formula for the distance covered? Remember, the distance covered formula is, always remember pi into d. This formula you're having in the book. What is pi? 22/7 into 40. अगर कोई नंबर डिविजिबल नहीं हो रहा है तो कीप इट द सेम. डिनोमिनेटर से कुछ कट नहीं करना. डोंट पुट इट इन द फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. ओके, सो इट विल बी 880/7 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ कितने नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स हो गए, रिवॉल्यूशंस होंगे. ओके, रिवॉल्यूशंस कितने होने चाहिए? ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट दैट. सो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू, कैन यू टेल मी? I'm just putting this figure.
Division.
या डिवीजन. सबसे पहले देखो यहाँ पे ये सेंटीमीटर में है और यहाँ पे मीटर में है. सो ऑब्जर्व इट. 176 को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. कन्वर्ट द सेंटर.
So 17,600 centimeter.
17600 centimeter. Good. Now, which is the big greater value?
17600.
So number of revolutions is equal to, okay, number of revolutions is equal to circumference upon distance covered by wheel in one round. In one round. Circumference कितना है बताओ अभी? ये है मेरा 176,000 upon 880/7. Okay, just I'll wait. I'll explain you once more. Just wait. एक जन का पर्सनल मैसेज आया कि सर फिर से एक्सप्लेन करो. सी, ये व्हील है क्या? कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? रीत?
No, sir.
Wheel. They have given you the diameter. So what they have given you diameter? Diameter is 40. So what will be the radius then?
20 centimeter.
The 20.
20 centimeter.
See, the diameter of a wheel is 40 centimeter. How many revolutions? Revolutions मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by revolutions? उसका
सर कितने
सर
चक्कर
कितने
का
बार गोल घूमेगा वो?
ठीक है, गुड. जो ये 176 मीटर है, मतलब ये जो है पूरा, ये जो है, या 176 मीटर ऐसा बोल रहा है वो पूरा circumference. So circumference is what? How much?
176 meter.
Convert that 176 meter into centimeter first.
So
So 17.
600.
ओके. अब मुझे बताओ, जो वो व्हील है वो यहाँ से चल के यहाँ तक आएगा तो एक ऐसे टर्न मार के पूरा आएगा ना, ऐसे टर्न, जैसा टर्न मार के ही आएगा ना पूरा, फिर से वही जगह पे आएगा. तो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है जब टर्न, एक पूरा राउंड मारने में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है वो? ओके, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय व्हील in one round. Remember the formula, that is pi into d. What is the formula? Pi into
Pi into D.
Pi into D.
की वैल्यू 22/7, d की वैल्यू कितनी है? 40.
40.
So answer will be what? 880/7 centimeter.
7.
7.
Now यहाँ तक हुआ. Now he is saying, now see, what is the question? मुझे बताओ, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली, अच्छे से देखो. नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस फाइंड आउट करना है. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है?
Number of revolutions.
नाउ लिसन टू मी.
Number of revolution.
वो बोल रहा है कि कितने नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस पहुंचेंगे तब जाके इतना कवर होगा 17600 सेंटीमीटर. आपने अगर देखो एक राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है वो? वन राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है? टेल मी.
सर 880/7.
मुझे कितना डिस्टेंस निकालना है टोटल?
176 मीटर.
तो मैं बड़ी वैल्यू कौन सी है? 17600.
सर
और मुझे किससे
Yes,
डिवाइड
sir.
करना पड़ेगा? वन राउंड से, कि वन राउंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया. सो इट विल बी 880/7. सो वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस, 17600 divided by 880/7. Any doubt?
No sir.
सर
Okay.
No, sir.
उसको
So
reverse
how
कर
is it
मल्टीप्लाई.
possible,
अगर ये डिवाइड हो तो
we are
मल्टीप्लाई जब होता है तो ये
dividing
पूरा
by
वैल्यू ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. 7/880. Now you can do the calculation. You'll get the answer. Just
सर मुझे आखिरी पार्ट समझा ही नहीं है
Which one? Which one, Tohid?
सर
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ.
Sir,
एक्सक्यूज मी
how
सर
is it possible that we are dividing 17,600 by 880, which is already in, which will already be divided by 7.
See, 176 divided by 880 upon 7 ना. यहाँ पे 3 डिवीजन पार्ट है, 1 एंड ये सेकंड और 3 नंबर्स. सो ऐसे लिखते हैं हम लोग 176 डिवाइडेड बाय 880 अपॉन 7. ये क्लियर है रीत?
Sir, possible है क्या ये?
क्या पॉसिबल है मींस व्हाट?
So 17,600 और फिर वो डिवाइड हो रहा है 880 से, फिर 880 डिवाइड हो रहा है 7 से.
हाँ. नहीं सुनो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
सर वो तो पॉसिबल है
पॉसिबल है रीत. 176 एक अलग नंबर है एंड द अदर इज दिस इज कंप्लीट पार्ट. ओके, सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, 176 डिवाइडेड बाय 880 अपॉन 7. यहाँ तक क्लियर है रीत?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे सी whenever you if it is divide, आप डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में जब कन्वर्ट करते हो तो जो नीचे का नंबर है डिनोमिनेटर goes to numerator and numerator will comes to denominator. Remember that part.
Reciprocal.
Okay, now 176 multiplied by 7 upon 880. So do the small division, divide by 2. पहले 2 से डिवाइड करो, इसको भी 2 से डिवाइड करो. फैक्टर्स क्या आते हैं? नॉर्मल कैलकुलेशन 17600 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. See what is the answer. Then fully
140.
by 880, you'll get the answer. You'll get the number of revolutions.
140.
Reed, still you're having any doubt? Yeah, tell me.
No, sir, no doubt.
Sure? Reed?
Yes, sir, sure.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, can you please scroll back to question number, fill in the blanks, third question.
Just wait, I'll complete it. Just complete it or take the screenshot, take out the answer, you tell me the answer, then I'll move. Siddhant, clear?
Sir, you are not audible.
I'm not saying anything.
Sir, 140 revolutions.
Yeah, 140 revolution is the correct answer.
So 140.
Yeah. Reed, is it clear now?
Yes, sir, clear.
Find the area of a circle whose circumference is 52.8 centimeter. Can you do by your own? Now see, they have given you circumference. Circumference का formula क्या होता है?
So 2 pi r.
2 pi r. Okay, so circumference is 52.8. You can take 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So you need to take out the r. Take out the r first, and then this is the step number 1, and then take out the second step, that is area of circle. That is pi r square (22 by 7) into r. Tell me the value. Everyone, if you are facing any issues, tell me, I'll help you out.
R equals to 8.4.
R is equal to how much?
8.4.
Okay, Ipsha said R is equal to 8.4. Okay. Others take out the answer. Joina, Ari, Manikarnika, Siddhant. Do it fast.
Sir, 8.4.
Okay.
Sir, R is equal to 8.4.
Okay.
Yes, sir, R is equals to 8.4.
Okay.
Sir, 8.4.
Yeah, take out the area of a circle.
Sir, repeat the question.
Question beta screen पे दिया, you need to solve it. Done?
Sir, the area is 221.76 centimeter square.
Okay. See,
Area equals to 221.76.
just a minute.
221.76.
I just solve it first. If you see, this will happen 52.8 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22. So if you do the cancellation process, you will be getting radius is equal to how much? 8.4 centimeter. And if you got the radius, then you can find out this like this 22. The area of a circle is what? 22 by 7 into 8.4 multiplied by 8.4. So if you solve it, what is the answer?
Sir, 221.76.
221.76
Sir,
centimeter.
221.76 centimeter.
Centimeters square. What is
Square.
that? Centimeters square. Any doubt? Done? Come to question number 3. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. एक वायर है जिसका शेप क्या है बेटा?
Square.
10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. सभी साइड्स क्या रहते हैं स्क्वायर के? सेम रहते हैं. इफ द वायर इज बेंट रीबेंट इनटू रेक्टेंगल, मतलब उसने क्या किया? एक रेक्टेंगल बनाया. क्या बनाया है उससे? एक रेक्टेंगल जिसका लेंथ है 12 और ब्रेड्थ है कुछ भी नहीं. मुझे बताओ सबसे पहले क्या निकालना है? मुझे ब्रेड्थ निकालना. तो ब्रेड्थ के लिए किसका ब्रेड्थ निकाल? रेक्टेंगल का. तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला?
Length into breadth.
लेंथ इनटू
Sir,
ब्रेड्थ.
square का
आपके पास लेंथ तो है 12, लेकिन
सर सबसे पहले स्क्वायर का पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे.
ब्रेड्थ तो नहीं है. आपको एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल पता है क्या? आपको डू यू नो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल?
sir.
गिवन देयर. ओके.
Yes, sir, 100 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
just wait. No, they have not given the area of rectangle, but they have told कि एक वायर है, वो वायर का शेप स्क्वायर जैसा है, एंड वायर के शेप जो स्क्वायर के शेप है उससे हमने रेक्टेंगल बिल्ड किया. मतलब जितना एरिया स्क्वायर का होगा उतना एरिया किसका होगा बेटा? उतना एरिया रेक्टेंगल का होगा. सो
Rectangle.
एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ
Square.
स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. क्लियर?
Rectangle.
ओके. तो पहले स्क्वायर का
Excuse
एरिया
me,
निकालो.
sir.
कितना आएगा एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर का
100 centimeter square.
साइड इनटू साइड दैट इज हाउ मच? 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दोनों के जब एरिया सेम है तो एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. सो हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल कितना हो बेटा? 100. कैन यू फाइंड आउट नाउ द ब्रेड्थ? सिद्धांत
8.333.
8 centimeter.
So it's in point 8.333.
8 point.
8.33333.
Sure, everyone take it.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा नमन.
So,
So if we find out it by finding its perimeter, we will get the answer 8.
yes, sir, we have to take the perimeter.
We have to take out their value by finding their perimeters.
Okay. Sorry. I have not seen. मेरे को लगा area ले लिया हमने. Sorry. Yeah. Yes. We can. Oh, sorry. A wire is in the shape of a square, and if it bent, okay, yeah, it is considered as a perimeter. Sorry, we took the area. Perimeter of a square.
10 into side into 4.
Sure. Kashvi. Ipsha.
4 into side.
4 into side. What is the 4 into side?
4
4
into
into
10.
10. 40.
4 into 10. 40. 40 centimeter.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और perimeter of a square किसके equal है?
Rectangle. Perimeter of
Rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle.
Perimeter of rectangle.
Rectangle.
Sure. Everyone just take out the formula. Just put now.
2 into length plus breadth.
1 minute. Perimeter of rectangle. Formula for perimeter of rectangle.
2 into length plus breadth.
2 into L plus B.
Perimeter of rectangle कितना है मेरे पास? अगर square का 40 है तो perimeter of rectangle का भी same रहेगा. Okay. Length कितना है बेटा आपके पास? 12.
12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
से पहले इसको divide करो. 40 divided
12 centimeter.
40 divided by 2 will be
20. So 20. 20.
12 plus breadth. Can you take out the value now? Breadth will be how much?
Yes, 8 equals to 8. Sorry, B equals to 8.
8.
8.
Yes, sir,
breadth
B
is
equals to 8.
8.
8 centimeter. B is equals to 8 centimeter.
Should I rub it? Now, ये वाला क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया था मैं. देखो, area of a square and rectangle are equal. Whose area are equal? Area of a square is equal to area of a area of rectangle. Now क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पढ़ो, मुझे बताओ किसकी किसकी डिटेल्स दी है एंड मुझे स्ट्रक्चर बताओ कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर रेक्टेंगल है, कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर स्क्वायर है.
सर A स्क्वायर है और B रेक्टेंगल है.
ओके करो. व्हाट इज गिवन?
Side of square equals to 40 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 25 centimeter. We have to find out the length of
Answer
rectangle.
is 178 centimeter.
Okay.
The breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length of the rectangle.
फर्स्ट आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट. फर्स्ट आई नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट. मुझे बताओ सबसे पहले मुझे क्या करना चाहिए स्टेप 1 में.
So find the area of square.
Yeah, find the area of square. Good, Reet. Very good, beta. Find the area of square. What is the formula for area of a square?
L into B.
Side
Side into side.
Side into
side.
Side into side. Side into side. Okay. What is the side?
So 40 into 40.
40 into 40 will be
40 into 40.
1600 centimeter
Square.
Now area of a square is equal to how?
Area of rectangle.
Area of rectangle.
So what I say, area of a rectangle is equal
Yeah,
area of rectangle is equal to
L into B.
So length into breadth.
L.
okay. Area of rectangle का value, what is the value given for area of rectangle? Can you tell me?
So 1600 centimeter square.
Why?
1600 centimeter.
Area of rectangle. Is the length given or breadth? What is given in the question?
Breadth 5 centimeter.
Can you take out the
So
answer?
L into 20 square centimeter.
Yes. Take out the answer and just put in the chat box.
Sir, you are not audible.
Yeah, just solve question number 5 now. Question number 5, solve it.
Sir, done.
Question number 5.
Sir, done.
Okay. Put put the answer in the chat box personally. One side is equal to number of sides multiplied by number of sides. Number of,
Sir, repeat the question.
fill in the blanks, perimeter of a regular polygon having a question there. What is that? Length of one side into dash. So it was length of one side multiplied by number of sides. Mark a change in that. Correction. Done? Don't worry, we'll be having a class till
Yeah.
7:30 and then you'll be having a off and then you can attend the next period, whichever period it is. Okay, so coming to the next question, parallelogram. So tell me, first I need to do a parallelogram.
Sir, I made a parallelogram.
Okay. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Sure. मैं डायग्राम इसमें नहीं आ
Sir,
रही
it is not the perfect.
बेटा समझदार को इशारा
सर
कर
आप लाइन से बना लो ना.
छोड़ दे बेटा।
Sir,
Yes, sir. Line से बना लो आप.
ये नहीं आती सीधी इसमें ठीक है व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम टेल मी
Sir, breadth into height.
Breadth into height.
breadth into height so what is the area given there 1518 okay so do they have given you altitude means height
No, sir.
altitude means always height
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Given 25.3 centimeter.
yeah okay so can you take out the length then can you consider breadth as a length
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
take out the answer then
60 meter.
beta read don't use calculators
The calculator.
60.
Yes, sir. 60.
60 or 6060 or 1616
सर 60.
6060.
6060
सर 60.
60 meter okay done now coming to the long answer question find the area of the shaded region in the adjoining figure which is the bigger figure
Circle.
circle
Yes, sir.
well two figures are there one figure is circle and another figure is
So one figure is circle and second is square.
square okay
Square and circle.
step number 1 is completed you identified the figure now step number 2 who is covering the bigger part in that figure
Just
Circle.
circle.
circle means
Circle.
area of circle minus
Area of square.
Area square.
area of square good can you tell me what is the formula for area of circle step number 3
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
minus area of a square
Side into side.
Side
Side
into
into
side.
side.
side into side okay can you tell me what is the radius there in the circle what is the radius there in the circle
Yes, sir.
what is the radius there batao can you find
Sir,
it
6 centimeter.
how can you say 6 centimeter read ipsha read ipsha can you tell me just go through it observe it carefully आपके पास एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल में साइड कितना दिया है वो देखो
Excuse me,
ऑब्जर्व
sir. Sir, this figure is not square. Sir, it's rectangle.
very good read perfect point she said I told you to observe the figure if you see here it is 12 centimeter and here it is 5 centimeter you should have a question इस साइड जितने भी साइड रहते हैं स्क्वायर में दे ऑल आर व्हाट वो सेम ही रहते हैं कि अलग अलग
So
रहते हैं
equal.
इक्वल रहते हैं ना तो आपका ध्यान वहां क्यों नहीं गया वेरी गुड रीत गुड बेटा गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन ओके नेक्स्ट थिंग what I need to say then area of a circle minus area of
Square. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
okay area of rectangle का formula
Length into breadth.
लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एरिया ऑफ सर्कल बताओ. अच्छे से देखो, मुझे सर्कल बताओ. Do it fast. Okay. Do one thing. Do first, second, third as a homework. Fourth and fifth we'll be discussing tomorrow along with the first and second, third and first, second and third question. Okay? And I'll just upload the recording on the YouTube channel. You can go through it. Thank you. Have a great day.
So class is till 11:30.
11:30. Okay, almost. Just solve it.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.